Ever wondered how much a stamp costs today, or why they still matter in our digital age? Let's explore the intriguing history of postage stamps, their current costs, and some practical tips for using them effectively. Let's start at the beginning. The first adhesive postage stamp, known as the penny black, was issued in Great Britain in 1840. This small piece of paper made it easier and more affordable for everyone to send mail. Fast forward to today, and stamps have become both a collector's item and a necessary tool for mail. In the United States, the cost of a standard first-class stamp is 55 cents. Stamps come in various forms. Commemorative stamps celebrate significant events and figures, while specialty stamps might feature unique designs or materials. For businesses, postage meter stamps simplify the process by printing postage directly onto envelopes. Buying stamps is easier than ever. You can purchase them online from the United States Postal Service or at local retailers. However, always ensure you're using the correct postage to avoid delays. Looking for faster delivery? Services like USPS Priority Mail, FedEx, and UPS offer quicker, though more expensive, alternatives to traditional stamps. Here are a few quick tips. Store your stamps properly to avoid damage, use enough postage for the weight of your mail, and always place stamps in the correct spot for clear visibility. Whether you're a stamp enthusiast or just sending the occasional letter, understanding the value and use of stamps can improve your mailing experience. Remember, the current cost for a standard stamp is 55 cents, a small price for ensuring your mail reaches its destination. Interested in more insights about everyday items? Visit our website and explore a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips.